Hello, this is Mrs. Wong. I'm going to go over with you Unit 2 and 3 assessment. So starting with the first two questions. If you are given an arithmetic sequence as 1, 5, 9, 13, you need to write down the nth term of the sequence. So it's asking for the formula, and then 100th term of the sequence, and then the sum of the first 100 terms. So A, if you use the formula for it, un must be the first term plus n minus 1 d, which is the common difference. In this case, term 1 is 1. We do not know n, but we do know d must be 5 minus 1, which is a 4, or 9 minus 5, which is also 4. So you have 4 there. Now some of you left that here. If you did, you only get 1 mark. What you need to do to get the second mark is to expand and simplify to make it into a proper formula. So this is what you have to do. Then part B is looking for the 100th term. So n is 100. 4 times 100 minus 3, 397. Last bit, part C, we want the sum of 100 terms. Since we already have the first term and term 100, we can use which formula? This version of the formula. Then we will have 100 divided by 2, first term, adding the value of the last term. Some of you put 100 here. 100 here is the term number, not the term value. We need the term value to make this correct. So 398, this is 19900. So basically it's 2 marks each, 2, 2, 2. Question 2. The fourth term of an arithmetic sequence is 12, and the 10th term is 42. So in between term 4 to term 10, there is term 5, term 6, term 7, term 8, term 9, and term 10. You need to add 1D, 2D, 3D, 4Ds, 5Ds, 6. So that's equivalent to 6D, 6 common difference, for you to get from term 4 to term 10. And that is also equivalent to the difference between the two term values, which is 42 minus 12. That gives us 30. So 42 minus 12 is 30. That's the difference between the two term values. D must therefore be 5. Now looking at this, you need to find term 1 again, so you need to actually go backwards this way. So you got 12. You need to take 1D away, 2Ds away, 3Ds away to get term 1. Therefore, your term 1 is equal to 12. Take away 3Ds. 12 minus 15, term 1 is negative 3. 2 marks each for finding term 1 and D.